In this video, I will guide you on how to get verified on Roblox. First, launch open the Roblox app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the menu icon. From here, tap on the option of Settings. Now tap on Security. Here, you want to make sure that you have verified your email address and phone number. If you haven't done that already, make sure to do that. You should also enable two-step verification to help secure your account. Now, to get the official blue verified badge on Roblox, you must be a notable creator, developer, or a brand. You cannot apply manually. Roblox automatically awards the badge to users who meet strict platform requirements. To get the badge, you must be at least 13 years old and complete government ID verification in your settings. Your account must have logged into Roblox within the last 180 days, and you must strictly follow the Roblox community guidelines. If you are an experienced developer, own an experience with over 1 million playtime hours within the last 90 days. If you are avatar item creators, your personal account or group must clear 2 million Robux in revenue over the last 90 days. If you are a content creator or influencer, maintain 100,000 or more followers on a major external social platform like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Once you meet all the required criteria, you will be automatically given the blue verified badge on Roblox. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.